How to maintain the printer? The first step 1 is to turn on the power. Step 2 is to close the clap, like this. Close the clap. Do the white ink circulation for 30 seconds. Then after finished, turn off the white ink circulation and open the clap. Open like this. Then you turn on the switch. When you turn on the switch, the green light is flicking. You need to wait the green light stays on, which means the printer is standby, like this. You need to wait the green light stays on. Next step, do the head cleaning and nozzle check through the RIP software. After do all of this, then you can start printing. Every time you stop using the printer, you finish printing, right? The first step you need to do is to press this button. Then the print head will go left. There is a sponge underneath the print head. You need to use needle to add some water into the sponge to keep the print head wet. So this will prolong the service life of the print head. Now let's show you. Press this button, go left. Use needle to add some water into the sponge. Yeah, there. It's flaking. Then I press again. Add water on the sponge. Okay, it's standby again. The printer is standby again. If you turn off the printer without the standby, you may hurt the printer. So every time you turn off the printer, you must need to be sure the printer is standby. Okay, the green light is stay on, not flicking. Then you can turn off the switch and turn off the power. So do not turn off the printer when the printer is not standby. Another maintenance note is if there is dust on this part, you need to use wet tissue to clean it. Clean it with wet tissue, yeah, like this. And the small wheel, this line. Yes, use wet tissue to clean it. And here, the white wheel, 白色的. Yes, like this. Normally, we recommend you clean these parts in around 2 months if there is dust.